I'm definitely going to get a haircut today. I just cannot stand my hair anymore. There's just this little bird flying around our little garage. He's stuck in here, and we keep trying to open our garage door, but then he keeps getting stuck. Okay, so I just got my haircut done. Hey guys, it's me, Sheltin, and I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. Today, as you guys can tell, I'm wearing another hat today. And it's really early today. I'm definitely going to get a haircut today. I just cannot stand my hair anymore. But yeah, I'm wearing that, and I have been fixing up the pond today. I fixed the falls up so they run more down and so they don't splatter all over the place. I am going to be getting some new fish sometime really soon now. There's some, I don't think you can see them, but there's a couple in there. From the summers before, we've gotten some and stuff. But I just got a DoorDash, and can I say how much I love DoorDash? I got a Black Rock, and it's so nice that they just come to your door. I did use my dad's credit card, probably shouldn't have. Sorry, Dad. So walking to the door now, and yeah, I absolutely love these new shoes. I've been going on walks with the dogs, the two girl dogs, Pixie right there and Fiona. They absolutely love going on walks. But my DoorDash, there it is. Oh yes, and we finally replaced the welcome mat. We went to Target and we got this little hello mat, and I'm super happy that we got a new mat, because if you guys didn't know, when we were redoing our kitchen and stuff, my dad ripped up our rug when he was pulling through with a 500-pound concrete countertop. But yeah, we're loving this new mat. So just finishing up the drink and stuff, it's so good. I mean, it's Black Rock, of course it's good. But later today, if you guys didn't know, we have an iMac that I used back when we were doing online school and stuff. We are going to be getting rid of it because if you guys didn't know, we got one MacBook for me. And so yeah, I got a MacBook, so we don't need the iMac, the giant computer anymore. So we're gonna be shipping it off today in this big box here on our counter. And these dogs get so moody in the morning. So just got ready for the day and stuff. I'm getting super nervous to get my haircut done, because I haven't gotten a haircut in a couple months. I've been making myself a little bit of lunch. I got some fruit, fork, and some lemonade iced tea. It's gonna be really good. And I'm gonna go sit out by the pond and stuff. It's really sunny outside today. Got the hummingbirds coming to the feeders and stuff. And yeah, it's gonna be a really good day today. I just have that feeling. backyard now, and before I get control of this craziness, we're gonna stop at some Wendy's right over there in the drive-thru. And as you guys know, I'm going to get my classic number 9 with a cherry vanilla Dr. Pepper. Okay, so I just got my haircut done. I hope you guys like it. I am really liking it. So I basically just got like a number 2 on the sides and stuff. It's still a bit messy because I haven't really styled it. But yeah, I really like it. I got the sides like trimmed up along with the back because it was so insane and crazy before, as you guys have seen in this video. And I'm getting ready to feed these crazy dogs. They absolutely love to be fed, especially this one, Pixie. She always jumps up and down just like that. Yeah, these dogs are underway, and I hope you guys like the haircut. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little snapshot there, but the dogs, of course, spilled the kibble. They rarely do this, but when I was feeding Pixie here, oh boy, yeah, and Fiona gets pretty territorial. But yeah, it spilled everywhere, and I guess that's what it's like just having 5 dogs. But yeah, they basically just eat out here, and those 2 back there fight 24/7. So my dad drove all the way to somewhere in Oregon to get some crumble cookies, bringing back so many memories from last week. There's just this little bird flying around our little garage. He's stuck in here, and we keep trying to open our garage door, but then he keeps getting stuck. So I forgot to do an outro, but thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and I'll see you guys next time. It was crazy having that bird fly around in our garage.